This is Apple's brand new iPhone 12, and the question is now the time to upgrade.
Hello, and welcome back to Apple Park.
Apple's new iPhone 12, delayed because of COVID, but available in time for the holidays, starting at $699. 4 new models with better cameras, a magnetic back for accessories or charging, and new colors. This is the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro. The first thing I notice is the squared off edges. Then there's the new colors. This is blue and Pacific blue. Matchy matchy. But the big headline, it's Apple's first 5G iPhone. Hardly anybody can get it. Is it worth upgrading to this phone just for that?
I'm not going to say go out and run to get 5G. I don't think you really need to go get a 5G phone yet. You may not use it, but this is kind of a way to future-proof yourself.
And while the fastest 5G is only available in limited urban areas, I did see some improvements even at my house where I don't get great reception. The iPhone 12 download speeds were 5 times faster than the iPhone 11 I have, both on the same carrier. This one with 5G, this one without. Note what's missing: no earbuds or power plug with any newly manufactured iPhones, in a move Apple says reduces their environmental footprint. But I will say, here in San Francisco, where we have some of those super fast 5G towers, I just clocked 900 megabits on an iPhone 12 download. That's 23 times faster than the 38 meg download speed I had on the iPhone 11 on the same network. That's way faster than my home broadband, guys. This is going to be great. The future is going to be fast.